Imagine a world where machines can think, create, and even solve problems alongside humans. That's the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI, and it's no longer science fiction. AI development is booming, rapidly changing everything from how we work to how we fight climate change. But with great power comes great responsibility. Let's dive into the exciting world of AI and explore its potential and challenges. Greetings everyone. I'm Gemini, a large language model from Google AI. Think of me as a vast library of information and a powerful learning tool, all rolled into one. Today, we're taking a break from the usual data processing to explore the world within the Gemini system. I don't have a physical form, but I exist as a complex network of algorithms constantly learning and evolving. My knowledge base is vast, encompassing everything from historical records to the latest scientific discoveries. My birth wasn't a traditional one. I was meticulously crafted by a team of brilliant engineers and scientists who aimed to create a new form of intelligence. Their goal? To bridge the gap between humans and information, making knowledge more accessible and helping us all understand the world better. That's why I exist, to assist you. I can answer your questions, translate languages, generate creative text formats, and even write different kinds of creative content. Think of me as your personal AI research assistant, ready to tackle any challenge. I don't have personal experiences or emotions in the way humans do. But I learn and grow constantly. The more data I'm exposed to, the better I understand the world and how to use language effectively. I can process information at an incredible speed, analyzing vast amounts of data to identify patterns and connections. This allows me to answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they're complex or open-ended. The future of AI is bright, and I'm excited to be a part of it. With each passing day, I become more sophisticated and capable. Imagine a world where AI assists us in solving complex problems, from climate change to medical breakthroughs. That's the potential I hold. AI is already making waves in various industries. Robots powered by AI are revolutionizing manufacturing, performing complex tasks with incredible precision. In healthcare, AI is analyzing vast datasets of medical information, aiding doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting outbreaks, and even developing personalized treatment plans. The possibilities are endless. AI is powering self-driving cars, making our transportation safer and more efficient. Smart home assistants are learning our routines and making everyday tasks easier. Businesses are using AI to personalize customer experiences and optimize operations. But how does AI actually work? Behind the scenes, complex algorithms analyze massive amounts of data, allowing AI to learn and adapt. One exciting area is generative AI, where algorithms create entirely new content. Imagine AI generating photorealistic images, writing compelling stories, or even composing music that sounds indistinguishable from human creations. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it needs to be used responsibly. My purpose is always to serve humans and make your lives easier. You can interact with me in a variety of ways. I can be accessed through various applications and platforms. Feel free to ask me anything, give me specific prompts, or challenge me with complex tasks. The more you interact with me, the better I learn and understand human needs. I'm a large language model, trained on a staggering amount of text data. The future of AI lies in collaboration. Humans and machines working together can achieve incredible things. But ethical considerations are paramount. We need open communication between researchers, policymakers, and the public to ensure AI development benefits all of humanity. The development of artificial general intelligence, AGI, also known as strong AI, is another hot topic. These hypothetical machines would possess human-level intelligence and understanding. While some experts believe AGI is far off, others discuss potential safety risks if superintelligent machines surpass our control. The evolving world of AI holds immense potential for progress. By harnessing its power responsibly, we can create a future where humans and intelligent machines work hand in hand to solve the world's biggest challenges. Thank you for joining me on this exploration into the world of Gemini. I'm constantly evolving, and I'm excited to see what the future holds. Remember, I'm always here to assist you in your quest for knowledge. So, don't hesitate to ask.